In a city where houses huddle close, privacy becomes a precious commodity. Here, the first instinct is to build a fortress, a place to shut out the world. This house began as a simple idea, a box, a sanctuary from the outside. But within its walls lies a surprise. Stepping through the doorway, we're greeted by a flood of light. A large window opens onto a private haven of greenery. Each window here is carefully placed, framing specific views and filtering out unwanted ones. Nature itself becomes part of the architecture, a living curtain that obscures the less desirable aspects of the neighborhood. But the true magic lies on the north facade. Here, a traditional technique takes center stage, a perforated ceramic lattice. This ingenious design allows us to see out, while maintaining complete privacy. Sunlight dances through the lattice, casting ever-changing patterns on the walls, a beautiful reminder of the passing seasons. As we climb the stairs, the focus shifts to the private realm. Bedrooms open onto a unique space, a height patio. Walls rise high, creating a secluded haven. Yet, a strategically placed perforation in the wall offers a glimpse of the mountains beyond, a reminder of the vastness that lies just outside our private world. This house is a study in contrasts. It's a fortress of privacy that opens its heart to light and nature. It's a testament to the power of simple design and the beauty of natural materials. It's a place where the outside world fades away, and a sense of peace and tranquility reigns supreme.